Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sudha MC. Here we are discussing about the language of birds session 9. The poster designing. Let's go through that. Let's read the text. A new servant. So in the last class, we have already learned that Ivan became, the king of the kingdom. Okay? A new servant. Years passed. One day, an old man came to Ivan's palace. Ivan ordered his guards to bring him inside. The old man in shabby clothes appeared before him. Shabby clothes means, very old, torn one. He was so tired. Dear old man, what can I do for you? Ivan asked. Oh, Your Majesty, I lost my wife and all my wealth. I find no way to make a living. I am old and cannot work. Let me stay here and serve you, said the old man. Ivan appointed him as his servant.